Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily receive some file on your Windows when you want to send it from your Android phone by Bluetooth. So how you can do it? So for doing this, first thing you need just to open your Bluetooth. Just tap here and find your Bluetooth. So just open Bluetooth on your laptop and choose from this list. You need to choose receive a file. So just tap on receive a file. So here you can see that you shouldn't see a file transfer begin as soon as someone starts transmitting files to your computer from the Bluetooth enabled computer on or device. So we just need to start sending it from our phone. So let's go to our phone. Let's open on our Android file manager. So just open file manager, and for example this one page. So you just choose file you want to send here, just choose it, and here you will find send, and you just need to choose here Bluetooth. So just tap on Bluetooth, and here it is our PK, our laptop. So you need to find name of your laptop. So just tap here, and now you can see that it successfully sent our file. Here you can see it. So you just need to choose location where you want to save it and just tap on finish, and now you successfully saved this file on your laptop. So this is the way how we can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.